Okay, my name is Samuel Kiranga from PVTECH EPZ East Africa, that is Power Africa Solar. And today I'm going to introduce one of our best solar system, that is the solar water heating. And I just want to highlight some of the best features that it has. And one of the best feature is it has an outer space made of 0.4 galvanized steel. This ensures that in adverse weather, it can maintain its shape. Then we have the inner tank made of 1.2 millimeter thick, 316 steel, which is better than the system made of 304 steel system. So it has an added advantage in terms of performance in hard water. Then another feature that it has a tested pressure of 15 bar and 6 bar operating pressure. Other systems, they may come with 3 bar or lower. So for these ones, we are saying it has even higher operating pressure, which you can operate in hotels, in residential homes. When there is high pressure, you are most likely not to experience any problem with the system. Unlike others that may end up bursting or having some leakages. Another feature is that you can use in hard or soft water. This is due to its inner tank is made in such a way that pitting corrosion is at minimum. So its design is better. There are some systems, if you take them to hard water, they are most likely to have a problem, and they will not last beyond even 5 years. So this one has an added advantage. Then we have another feature whereby it comes with an anode. It is a magnesium anode which has ionization capability. So with that, you're able now to have better performance of the system, especially in hard water. Another feature is that it has inbuilt boosting heating element, which you can boost when maybe you have visitors and the hot water requirement is more than expected. So you can use the boosting heating element. And also when maybe it's totally cold, and you need more hot water, then you can also use that boosting element. Some systems that are supplied, they may not have that provision, but this system has. Another important thing is that we have also an optional intelligent controller, whereby you can be able now to monitor the temperature. So that intelligent controller, you're able to lead the temperature. If let's say it's at 55 degrees, it will indicate that. And then also you can be able to schedule boosting. On cold weather, you can schedule boosting depending on your usage. When you need more hot water, you can schedule that heating. Those are the main features. So now we want to go to the frequently asked questions. And one of the questions that is asked.
Do you need to keep your conventional water heating system?
In this case, we do not have to keep the conventional heating system. These are the geysers that while being installed in terms of heating water, and purely they are heated. They are heating using heating element. So in this case, those ones we don't usually keep them, because now the system will be purely doing it using the sun, and that way you'll have much reduced your bills for heating water.
Can the system operate with borehole water?
Yes, the system will operate very well with borehole water, because it has 316 steel, which is have high resistance to corrosion compared to other steel. Some systems were coming with 3 or 4 steel, but this one has a better capability because of 316 steel, because it has an additional element which is chromium, and that way it has more better resistance in terms of hard water usage.
Okay, so what are the requirements for me to be able to install a water heating system?
For you to be able to install solar water heating, the requirement is that you have to have the provision for hot and cold water. In this case, we usually say is the double piping. Now, the pipe that will carry the hot water and another one that will carry the cold water. In this case is when you get now to your bathroom, you have to have a mixer which now will regulate the temperature of water, because the system can achieve even up to 70 degrees, which is way above the body temperature. So it can resort to burn. So ideally what you have to do is initially you can start with the cold water, and then you regulate with the hot water up to your required temperature.
Okay, so can someone have one system to run on lighting and also water heating?
No, we cannot have a system learning lighting and the water heating, purely because the operation is different. Solar water heating, you have to get water now into the corrector panel. Once now you get to the corrector panel, the water gets heated, then it rises back now to the reservoir, which is the tank that is usually insulated, and it can last even to 72 hours being hot. So for lighting, it is a different way of giving the energy to the house, because these ones are, you have light which now is converted directly to electrical energy, and now to your items in the house.
So what happens during very cloudy seasons and when it's very cold? Do you still get water, hot water?
Yeah, definitely you get hot water. Ideally, what happens is on a cold day, if we have like at least 4 sun hours, you are able to get hot water from the system. And just in case it's totally cold that you need hot water, we have the boosting element, which now will chip in and now you'll be able to get your hot water according to the temperature that you need.
What is the cost of installing a water heating system?
We have this system. We say it is a premium system, and with a lifespan beyond 20 years. The cost of installing one solar water heater start at around 250,000.
How long does it take for you to install a water heating system?
Ideally, the main work that is involved is the structure, and then placing the panel and the tank on your roof, mainly where sunlight is not obstructed. And ideally, we say that one usually take within a day if the product is brought to site before the day of installation.
So are the systems readily available in Kenya if I need to purchase them?
We have these systems in Kenya, and you can purchase them from our office in Nairobi. That is Platinum Square in Hora Road. That is off Baricho Road. That is in industrial area, Nairobi. And then in Kisumu, we can also get them in Alpha House. That is in Ogiga Odiga Road, loom number 17, first floor. Okay, thank you.